Designing with exhibit craft is super easy. They take the pressure off of my team, which allows us to work and focus on other projects. We have a meeting with Joe, we give him the concept and he runs with it. He understands our creative direction and does a great job every time. They also help us with setting up before the show. All we do is walk in and set up our products, so when we get here, they make it so easy for us. The booth traveling show has been so much easier working with Exhibit Craft as a partner. They have warehouses across the country, so that wherever our show is next, they're already shipping the booth there to save us on logistics. And it really has elevated our brand and helps us display our products the way that they should be displayed. Stay mellow.